Mike ever responded?
Yeah, he said that he's got something to eat.
Fill these jars with water. I'm not sure you heard her clearly, but we've run out of wine, not water. These are similar in size to your amphora. The prudent monks, yes. You could have filled all the way to the brim. You're a very responsible person, aren't you? We are in a crisis, and I would like to understand you have a solution. Do you know my jars for purification rites are made of stone? What? You heard me. Because the stone is pure. Less likely to stain or break, and it can't be made unclean. Yes.
Oh my God.
Fill these jars with water all the way to the brim. Why?
You heard him.
Just do it, bitch.
Start throwing water. Quickly. Tell anyone you find to stop what they're doing and help.
Jeez.
From the directions you have provided, I see no logical solution to the problem. It's going to be like that sometimes, Thomas. What did you say? I do not rebuke you. Just going to ask questions. To seek understanding. There's no time for this. I know of a man like you in Capernaum.
Capernaum.
Always counting. Always measuring. That's my job. And the people will think I have not done well tonight.